back to Tam. Today we're making flourless carrot cake. Usually I make this in a large 24 centimeter tin, about 10 inches, but this year I'm making it to 4 little loaf tins so I can actually give them away. There aren't enough people in this house currently to eat that much cake, and I have a few friends that could really do with some cake this morning. So we're gonna get on with making this incredible, delicious, flourless carrot cake. It does not use matzo meal or potato starch. It's almonds in here and eggs, and it is phenomenal. It is jam-packed with awesome things like coconut and currants and almonds and almond meal. It is so good. So let's get on with making our flourless carrot cake right now. Let's get on with making our flourless carrot cake. So in my mixer, I've got 5 eggs, all at room temperature, and 265 grams of brown sugar. And I'm going to whip these, I'm gonna whip these for the next 15 minutes. I want them to get super thick and really like almost triple in volume. So 15 minutes, here we go. We've been going for 15 minutes. Whoa, okay. Let me just show you how incredibly thick that is. Let's see if I can manage to get this out of the bowl. I haven't figured out this piece of equipment yet, but it is awesome because for 15 minutes, I did not have to hold the mixer. This little stand did. Oh my goodness, there we go. Check it out. Thick and gorgeous whipped up eggs into a separate mixing bowl. I know, plastic, you can tell it's Pesach because I bought this 25 years ago in Israel and haven't replaced it since. 440 grams of almonds, which have been ground almonds or almond meal, almond flour, sometimes it's called. 440 grams of that, along with 400 grams of carrots, which have been grated, and that's going in. Then we have some awesome bits, which is desiccated coconut, that is 70 grams, I believe, 75 grams of slivered almonds, which I toasted to add some more nuttiness, and 80 grams of currants. And we're gonna give that all a mix. So lots of awesome things going into this carrot cake. It's like jam-packed with nuts and currants and obviously carrots. It's so, so good. So I'm gonna mix that all together until you have no like clusters of carrots. They tend to stick together. What the almond meal is gonna do is help separate between all the carrots, and then you won't get any lumps of carrot in your cake. Even though it is a carrot cake, you don't want to bite into straight up carrot in your cake. The carrot on its own is delicious. All right, there is our mix all together. We're gonna add a few more ingredients, which is ½ a cup of vegetable oil. I've got 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ginger, and 1 teaspoon baking powder all going in, along with a teaspoon of vanilla. So again, another mix to make sure our spices are well distributed. And then we're gonna add all that egg and sugar mixture in here, lightening it up completely. So, oh my goodness, it's already getting quite dense. It is such a good cake. Oh my gosh. All right, all mixed. Let's get our eggs and pour that in. There we go. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna mix and then we're gonna divide between our pans. All right, our mix is done. There we go. I'm gonna divide it between some disposable cake tins because usually I make this in a large 24 centimeter, which is like a 10-inch springform. But this year I'm actually giving them out and there aren't enough people at home to eat that large of a cake. So I'm gonna distribute it and they're gonna go onto a tray into the oven. My cakes are distributed. They're going into the oven For the large cake, it takes an hour and 20 minutes. I'm guessing these will take maybe 50 minutes to an hour, but we're gonna stick a knife in them after about 50 minutes and see if they are cooked through. Oh my gosh, carrot cake, Pesach, it does not get much better than this. Into the oven we go. My cakes are out, they're cooked, they're beautiful. I stuck a knife in them and it came out clean. Oh my goodness, they smell incredible. Let me just show you. 4 cakes ready to go. They need to cool down completely, and then I'm gonna package them and deliver them to a few friends I know who could really use some cake today. Oh my goodness, Pesach, it's a crazy time, and I think we forget that after Seder, there's still a few more days of Pesach left. So very excited about these awesome carrot cakes. They're good year round. They're amazing if you have gluten-free friends. This is the way to go. Flourless carrot cake, it does not get much better than that. Oh my gosh, it even smells incredible. You could top these with a cream cheese frosting. I just never do because there's so much going on in the cake. But maybe this year, cream cheese frosting is in order. Who knows? But here we go. Flourless carrot cake, perfect for Pesach, perfect for giving as gifts. See you all soon.